Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Firebase Auth users before rebuilding app. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Google Firebase console. Navigate to your project dashboard. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the authentication section. Once in the authentication section, switch to the Users tab. You will see a list of all your registered users. To back up this user data, click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Export Users. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose how to export your user data. Select the format you prefer, such as JSON or CSV. Click on the Export button to initiate the download. Once the export is complete, save this file securely on your local machine. Next, you're going to back up any associated user metadata. Navigate to the Firestore database or real-time database, depending on which one you use. Here, you will need to manually export any collections or tables linked to your users. Identify the relevant collections and click on the three vertical dots next to each collection name. Select Export Collection. Choose your preferred format once again and click on Export. After the export process is now, if you're using additional services, like Cloud Functions, review those as well. Check your Cloud Functions for any user-specific logic or data handling. Document these functions, as they might need to be re-implemented later. Finally, ensure that all your backups are organized and easily accessible. Once you have your backups ready, you can proceed to rebuild your app confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.